You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Lola Alao is a Nigerian actress who relocated to Canada for years now, has disclosed her new role as the guardian of the late Aisha Abimbola's children, Lashe and Keji. Recall that Aisha Abimbola kicked the bucket in Canada after fighting cancer in 2018. Her colleague and lovely friend, Lola Alao, took to her full guardianship of the two kids she left behind. Lola Alao opened up that she and the kids preferred their lives in Canada to Nigeria in a chat with 6 people in an Instagram live video, and she also spoke on Keji's surgery.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.